Okay, let's get started. So in today's session, we will see the log file and the location where it downloads the application. So I'm gonna download one line of business, MSI application, and then I will upload it to Intune portal. So tinyurl.com slash links for MECM. Okay, so let me download one MSI application, and that is AnyConnect. Okay, I'm gonna download this. Okay, so the application is now downloaded. Okay, I need to download the logo. So any connect logo. Okay, so I downloaded the logo and the application. So let me upload this application to Intune portal, and I'm gonna use line of business application method. So apps, and then Windows, add. So which method I'm gonna use? Line of business app. Why? Because we downloaded MSI file. Any connect dot MSI. Okay. Now I have uploaded MSI file, name, description, publisher is Cisco, right? Then now command line argument, you don't have to type in the complete uh, command line like MSI, exec and all. You have to type in the remaining command line. So actually the command line msiexec.exe/I, and then the file which we have downloaded, which this file we downloaded. Okay, so /qn. By default it is adding this command line to do the installation, so we don't have to type in this one. So I'm gonna delete that one. So we have to type in what? L*V. It is also not mandatory. Okay, if you want the log file, then only you type in, otherwise you don't need this one. So L*V C:/Windows/temp/ uh, any connect.log. Okay, for log file. Okay, if you want, then you type in, otherwise you can leave this blank. It's not mandatory. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it blank. Now category, productivity. Okay, logo. Now either you deploy in available mode or required mode. I'm gonna put it in available mode. Okay, so I have uploaded the file, the MSI file in available mode. Let's see, properties, and I deployed in available for enrolled devices. Okay, to corporate device group. This is the group where I have deployed it. Okay, now, so this application will show up in company portal in this device. Uh, well, let's log in here. Okay, so the application will show up in the company portal. Um, any connect, right? We don't have any connect here. Now, in the meantime, we will also deploy one application in that format, Win32 format, so that we will be checking the log file for Win32 application as well. Or do we have Win32 already? We have, VLC media player is already there, right? That is Win32 application. Okay. For example, Firefox is there. Firefox is not yet deployed. Okay, we will try Firefox. Okay, so let's see Firefox. So the Win32 application.
Did anyone have luck installing the Win SCP application?
Nobody tried WinSCP?
It throwed an error, Kashif. I tried multiple times, multiple browsers.
Mm-hmm.
It's just unable to download. It just says terms and conditions or something like that. That message came up.
This WinSCP, you cannot download it from here.
No. Yes.
Let me show you. Suppose WinSCP.
Yeah, I've got this
Sorry, we
Win.
cannot access this because the evaluation. Okay. Um, fine, no worries. So you can download WinSCP from internet then. Okay. So
Oh,
you
okay,
can
sure.
download from Google. You just type in WinSCP. Okay. WinSCP download. And you can download from this official website. Got it?
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, let's see company portal. I'll synchronize it. This Grammarly you have deployed in MSI format, or which format have you taken, Sam?
So Kadir, I have used the Microsoft Store
Oh,
format. I have.
Microsoft Store. Okay, Microsoft Store. Okay.
Hi Kashif. I also have many applications which are not showing in company portal and they're available in virtual machine.
They are available in virtual machine.
Yeah, like
They got
VLC,
installed.
Adobe. Yeah,
They
but
got
not showing
installed.
in comp.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
but
if you
not
have,
showing in company
so it
portal.
looks like you have deployed in required mode then.
Okay,
When you deploy the application in required mode, then it will not show up here.
okay,
Got it?
okay. Let me check.
Okay, so I'm taking Adobe Photoshop from Microsoft Store, and as you see, this is Win32 application. So they have already converted this application from exe to Intune Win. So uh, we are choosing that Win32 application. Okay, productivity, and then I have chosen the image. Next, I would like to deploy this in available mode. Okay, now I have uploaded this application in Intune portal. Okay, let's see. We have deployed this application to this group. Okay. You can also synchronize from Intune company portal. Okay, so if you would like to synchronize from Intune company portal, you need to go to settings and sync. Okay, so this is gonna do the same thing. Either you do the synchronization from the this method, the setting option, right? Or you can synchronize from company portal. From company portal, it is easier. You can right click on the company portal icon. Okay, right click and then sync this device. Okay, so it's pretty simple instead of you going to the setting portal and then synchronize. Okay, right click, sync. Looks like an application. Okay, why this is coming, you can simply ignore this one. Apps. Cisco AnyConnect is not showing up, right? Let me restart this machine. There are some issues, I think. So in order to restart, I will have to open command prompt, shutdown -R. Okay, we'll have to wait for this because it's updating.
Kashif, you told like in last session we can ignore the command line option. So does it affect any on the installation of the application if we ignored it, like if we didn't put anything in that?
In line of business application,
Yes.
yeah, you can ignore that one. It's not needed. The only thing, if you want additional thing like log file
Okay.
and no restart kind of thing,
Okay.
those commands you can additionally put it there.
Sure.
Can you log in there, Sam? You can simply right click on the icon and then sync this device. Okay. So Adobe Photoshop is showing up. This is Win32 application. The Cisco AnyConnect application, that is not showing up, right? Let me see why it is not showing up. Is it installed here or what? Is the firewall not enabled on this machine? Firewall.cpl. It's already on. Okay, looks like it's not able to read that. Okay, fine. I will come back to home. Now this application is Win32 application, which we have deployed from Microsoft Store application. So either you deploy from a store or you do it yourself. We would like to see the log file, okay, for this Win32 application. Generally, we deploy Win32 application, so there is a comprehensive log file for this Win32 app. Okay, so how will you uh, troubleshoot? So there is a log file in C drive, then program data, C:/program data, okay, and hit enter. Now, when you go to C program data, you have Microsoft. Inside Microsoft, you have Intune management extension, and inside Intune management extension, logs. And then, sorry, you need to open this log, Intune management extension log file. This is the log file. Intune management extension. So this is the old one, okay, the historical log file. We would like to see the current log file. If you would like to see the old data, then you will have to go to this one. This is the old one. This is the old one. But for the current one, you need to open this one. Now, when I open this one, it's opening in Notepad. Notepad is okay, but it's difficult to read the log file in Notepad. Okay. So how do we open the log file? Hmm? Anyone from SCCM team?
CM Trace.
CM Trace, yes. So we have to open the log file in CM Trace. So today is 15th. What happened? Okay. Log file location. This is the log file location. Now we need to open the file in CM Trace, right? Because it's very difficult to read in Notepad. So in order to download CM Trace, we will open Edge browser. And I'll go to google.com. CM Trace download. Okay, CM Trace. Now let me open CM Trace from Okay, let's see. Do we have CM Trace somewhere to download? Yes. So we have this link to download CM Trace. cmtrace.zip. I have downloaded. Let me open this file and extract this file from, because it's in zipped format. So extract. Okay, open with zip, WinZip. Okay, so this is the application. Unzip. You haven't scanned this content from here. Do you want to scan? Cancel. Okay, so this is the file which will help us to open log file CM Trace, which we downloaded from internet. So let's double click and open this and make this make this as a default log viewer tool. In order to open log file, we will um, use this. Okay. Now let's open this Intune management extension.log and always use CM Trace. Hmm. Okay, so this is the log file which will show you the status for any Win32 application. So since Photoshop is Win32 application, that's gonna show us the status. Also, where it will download. So it will download the application in C drive, program files, Microsoft, sorry, program files, and then I think it's in C drive, program files x86, I mean in Microsoft Intune management extension and content. So first the file comes in incoming. Okay, so let me show you the incoming. Here the file will come. Okay, so I'll show you the status for Win32 application. For Win32 application, here is the flow. So first application will come into this folder. Second application will come into staging folder. Okay. So first incoming, then staging, and then the application will go into C, Windows, IME cache. So incoming, there I will show you. Let me keep this. First, the file will come here in incoming folder. Okay. Second, it will come in staging. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, it will come in staging one. The second, first it will come in incoming, then it will go in staging, and now the third one. Then it goes to IME cache. Okay.
What is this folder used for? IME cache?
I'll tell you. Okay, the first the file will come in an incoming folder. Okay, when it will download from internet, but the file will be in encrypted format. Okay, so then it will decrypt the file into staging folder. It will decrypt, and then the file will come down to this IME cache. Okay, this is like a download folder, final download folder. So file will come here into IME cache, and then the application installation will start. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so we have three folders: first incoming, second staging, and third IME cache, and the log file. So we will keep the log file little down. Okay, now, so let's try to install this. So I'm going to click on install. Let's see what happens in the log file. Okay, so it's doing something. As you see, one by one, we will see the status. Okay, so right now the time is 8:14. 8:14, 8:14. So the log started from 8:14 right here. This application returning null, status report registry. That's okay. Got app for status service received application check. Checking for a found application. See. Okay, so let's go up to this 14 one again. You see, we deployed the application and it says get policy. That means it received the policy. And what was the application? The ID of the application is this, and the name of the application is Adobe Photoshop. Okay, that's the name of the application. Now it has everything like install command line, uninstall command line. Okay, as you see, we have install command line. Okay, then we have uninstall command line. Then we have requirement rule. Okay, so since it is coming from Microsoft Store app, so most of the things are, um, you see, install command line, msi exec.exe, This is for M remote, sorry. So most of the things are null because this is coming from uh, Microsoft Store app. But when you do it yourself, like for VLC application, then you will see the install command line and uninstall command line. Okay, so this application this is the starting point. Now, when you start deploying this application, I mean, when you click on install, it will first download the application. Okay. Okay, so first it's detecting the application. As you see, it says detection state for this application and it says not installed. Okay, that means this application is not yet installed. Okay, so then it will start downloading the application. Okay, you see downloading app ID. This application, Adobe Photoshop, it's downloading. So byte 0 byte, it has downloaded 0 byte, and the total size is 2953, whatever the size you see it is showing up. So it is gonna download the application. Okay, so downloading app ID. Okay, and downloading app ID. Downloading app ID. Downloading app ID. So it downloaded the complete file. As you see, it downloaded 2953688. So it downloaded the file completely. Okay, download completed. And then after downloading, it will do the detection again, I believe. Let's see. Hmm. After downloading, it says detection app is expected to have invoice status detected. Okay. Detection status now showing installed. So previously it was not installed, but after downloading it installed and it says installed. So this application got installed successfully. Okay. Are you guys clear with this?
Yes, Kashif.
Let's see whether this application is installed or not. So in company portal, what does it show? It says installed on the top. Okay. Now, when I click on start, you see Adobe Creative Cloud is right here. This is the one, okay, which got installed successfully. but we missed to see the file coming in incoming folder, then staging, then IME cache. So let's do one thing. Let's try VLC media player. That is also a Win32 application. So we will try to install that again, and then we will see where the file is coming in. So VLC media player, but that is already installed. Let me remove this application from control panel. Okay. So we have to remove this application from a different method. Okay, so I removed this application. Now let me click on reinstall. Okay, so we will see the file coming in. You see incoming. First you see incoming, then staging, right? And then it will come in IME cache. You see IME cache. Okay, finally the file came into IME cache, right? You see VLC. So first the file comes in incoming, then staging, and then IME cache. Clear, guys? Everyone? But it
Kaushik,
deletes the file. It deletes the file. It will delete file from incoming, then it will delete file from staging, and finally the file will get deleted from IME cache as well. So it deleted the file from incoming, it's gone. Staging, it's gone, and it's gone from IME cache as well. Okay, let's see the VLC one. It also gives you the location from where it is downloading. Okay, so hmm. You see it says for VLC media player, get policy. Okay, VLC media player, and it also has the install command line. As you see, the install command line, that's the install command line. And similarly, we have uninstall command line. This is the uninstall command line. It gives everything. Okay, install command line and uninstall command line, detection method and all. Okay, so let's go down. Now this application will do the detection. So it says start detection manager. It is checking whether application is already installed or not. Okay, so to check exist path, does this path exist? We have to check whether this path exists or not. Okay. Wait a minute. ELC media player is right here. Okay. So then it will say downloading somewhere. Oh, sorry, I am checking the old log file. Okay, that's the reason. Sorry, we have to go down because the time is 8:29, right? So we need to come down. I think 8:24 we did. So let me go up. 8:24. 8:20, 22, 24. Eight 24. Okay, yeah, this is the one. Sorry, I was checking the old log file. Okay, so this application is VLC media player. No, this is Photoshop. Sorry, it's coming the Photoshop. Let me Control F and find. Hmm. Okay, so it says we have to check the application in this location, and it says false. That means this application does not exist. Okay, this application does not exist in this computer right now. Let's go down. It needs to download the application. Okay, so it will have downloading app somewhere. Downloading type, downloading URL. This gives you the URL as well. Okay, that's the URL of the application. Okay, from where it is downloading. Okay, so and it says cache content cache miss for this ID VLC. It start downloading. So VLC started downloading from here. Okay, and it's downloading from this URL. Okay, that's the link. Now, what is the size? The size is 42803056, and it has downloaded 1586 869. Okay, so let's see. Still downloading. Still downloading. Still downloading. And you see CDN mode download complete. So it has completed downloading the file. As you see here, downloading app is the same 42803056 and out of 42, it completed downloading uh, the file, and it says CDN download complete. Okay, now it will have to decrypt the file. So as you see, it says download size this, right? And downloaded file time, downloaded file time. So it took 10 seconds, 9 to 8 milliseconds. Start unzipping the file. So where is the file right now? The file is in the staging folder, as you see, and it unzipped the file into CM cache. I see Windows IME cache. So it unzipped the file from staging to IME cache. Okay. Now after unzipping, it will do the detection again. So detection. So start detection manager. It is checking whether the file is there or not. It says false. No, it is, the file is not yet here. I mean the application is not yet installed. That's the reason it says false. So not detected. It says not detected. Now it will do the installation. So VLC this 1033/s means that's the install command line for the installation. And it did the installation. Process ID 4040, installer process timeout, and last Win32 error 0 after wait for signal object. So there was no any error. As you see, last error is 0. 0 means success. So installation is done. As you see, installation is done. IP exit code is 0, and success. IP exit is defined as success. The application is installed successfully. Okay. So application got installed. Then it will do the detection again to verify whether application is there or not. So it says detected. As you see, it says detected. Application is installed successfully. So this is how you can verify the application. I mean, you can take a look on the application side and you can troubleshoot as well. Did you guys understand the concept? Huh?
Yeah. So for a LOB business, how do we troubleshoot?
For LOB application, the application needs to, we don't have any log file for that. Okay, so we have a registry and we have event viewer for that, event viewer. Okay. Um, why this application is not coming here? Cisco AnyConnect, right? Cisco AnyConnect. Let me do the synchronization again.
It is not showing in my company portal as well. I checked in property, so it is showing installed 0.
Hmm.
Maybe needs a
Cisco,
restart, I think, Kashif.
Cisco AnyConnect. So we deployed this application in available mode. Yes. Okay. So let me try deploying this application in required mode and see if that makes any changes. Looks like some issue at Intune side. Since
Kashif,
it's not
when we
happening.
installed any application, so it takes time to showing installed in Intune portal
Yes.
because I have multiple applications which are showing 0.
Yeah, it takes time.
Okay.
Okay, so I have deployed the application in required mode now. Previously, it was deployed in available mode. Now it is deployed in required mode. Okay. But looks like there is some issue in Intune portal itself because it's not happening for uh, other people as well. So LOB has some issue. That's what I believe. Okay. Synchronize. Okay, enforcement in progress. As you see, the application is installing. Which application? Cisco AnyConnect. Okay, so the application is installed. Application is installing right now. Cisco AnyConnect. So let's see. Yeah, Cisco AnyConnect got installed. Okay. Okay, so the required mode worked. Now, where the application downloads. So this application, the MSI application, line of business application will download in a different location, and I'll show you where it downloads. Okay, it downloads in C drive, Windows, System 32. Um, Wait a minute, where it downloads? Let me check the location. Okay, so it downloads in C Windows System 32 config system profile. Sorry. So C Windows System 32 config and then system profile and MDM app data local MDM. So line of business application will download here. Okay, so let me put it here for LOB application. It downloads. Okay, C Windows System 32 config system profile app data local MDM. Got it? That is the location where line of business application will download. Now, how do we troubleshoot whether it is installing or failed or what? So we don't have any log file for that. We will have to go to event viewer. Event viewer. Then we need to go to applications and services logs. Then Microsoft, then Windows, and in Windows, you need to go to a location. So you need to go to this location called Device Management Enterprise. For this is for LOB application, guys. For Win32, I already showed you. Okay, Device Management Enterprise Diagnostic Provider, and then you need to come to the admin portal. Admin. Okay, so here right now the time is 8:46. 8:40. Let me start seeing the log file from 8:39. You see from here, it says Enterprise Desktop App Management CSP. Okay, for line of business application, it comes like this. A node instance of was created successfully for this product code. What is the product code? This is the product code. Now this product code is for which application you don't know. You need to check this application product code in registry. Now this is the product code. Okay, that's the product code of that application. So started from here. Which application? Cisco AnyConnect. Now we will verify whether this is for Cisco AnyConnect or which application. You need to go to the registry. So let's go to the registry. Okay. Now in the registry, you need to go to HKey local machine software. Um, do we have that product code? What is the product code? 3, it's starting with 3E, ending at A2. So we need to go to HKey local machine software, wow 6432 node. This is for 32-bit location. Last session we have already discussed about it. There are two locations, 32-bit location and 64-bit location. Microsoft Windows current version. So starting with 3E and A2. This is the product code. And this is for Cisco AnyConnect. As you see, Cisco AnyConnect. That's the product code. So if the application is 64-bit application, you need to go to the 64-bit location. If the application is 32-bit location, you need to go to the 32-bit location. So since this application is 32, that's the reason we could find this application product code here. And this application is matching with Cisco AnyConnect. So we are basically this application product code is for Cisco AnyConnect. It does not give the name. That's the problem. You will have to go to the registry and check the name. Okay. So this has started the installation of Cisco AnyConnect. Now let's go up. You see MDM app installer task has started. So it has to do the installation. So task is started. Okay. Then you can ignore this one. Now here it says application content download started. It has to download the file, right? And it will download from where? From Microsoft portal. So bits job. Bits is what? Bits is background intelligent transfer services. It has to download file from internet. So there is a job ID. Bits is basically a job ID. So let me show you. Bits ID is starting with ED and ending with E4. Okay. So it has to download. So where you can check, so we are on this right now, 8:39:51, 8:39. Just remember that we are on 8:39:51. Okay, where it says it has started downloading. So where we can check the status whether it downloaded successfully or not. So we have to go to the bits client here, bits client, and then we will go to operational. Yes, operational. 8:39:51. What is the ID here? Starting with ED, ending with E4. ED E4. Okay. So ED E4. This is job ID is different. No, this is the same one as you see. ED E4. So let me double click and open that one. Bits started downloading from this. This application started downloading from this link. If you click on that link, okay, this link is expired basically. It is only for only to download the application once. You will not be able to download the application again. So that application, basically this is the link. As you see, bits started the MDMSW job transfer job that is associated with the this is the URL from where it is downloading the application. The status code is 0. Okay. Is the download completed? Transfer job is complete. Okay. So previously it started. I'll show you again. From here it started. As you see, it's new job. It says bits service created a new job. Okay. And then okay. Then it says this is the URL from where it's downloading. And it says 000 means the status is successfully downloaded. And then complete. So here the file is downloaded. Now let me go back to the same location. This under device enterprise management 851 8 83951 83951 83951. Okay, yeah. So this is the bits ID we have seen. Then hmm, application content download completed. Okay, for this same product code, you have to check the product code. This is for Cisco AnyConnect. So download completed. Okay, now it will do the installation. Application install has started for the same product code. Okay, for the same product code, the installation started, and then hmm, an application install succeeded. So this got successfully installed. The operation completed successfully. Are you guys clear with this concept so far? Hmm?
Yeah, Kaushik.
So this is how you can troubleshoot the LOB application. Okay, whether it is installing or not, whether it's downloading or not. Okay, now the only thing is why this application is not coming in available mode is looks like some issue at Microsoft end, because it's this problem is for everyone. Okay, so required mode it's working fine. Okay, enforcement completed. Cisco AnyConnect. Enforcement completed. Okay. Any question from anyone?
No,
Firefox got
Kaushik.
installed under my VM. Arvind. From a troubleshooting perspective, after you install the application under Event Viewer, what option would you check to identify app issues? Yeah, so we can check whether it downloaded or not. Okay, if it's not downloading, then there is some issue with the download of application. Okay, in event viewer. I showed you the step by step in event viewer, what all things you have to check.
Anything in app locker areas where you check something in the app locker details?
App locker.
Yeah,
Where is app locker?
event viewer.
No.
Okay.
Event viewer, you have to check two locations. Let me write down the location. This location,
Okay.
okay, the admin one, and the bits client, okay. Um, you need to go to which location? You need to go to under event view, under event view. First location will be applications and services logs. Under that, Microsoft. Under that, Windows. Under that, device management enterprise diagnostic provider. Device management enterprise diagnostic provider. Under that, you need to check admin. Okay. For bits, everything will remain same except this one. Bits client operational. Okay. This is for installation and this is for download. Any question? Anyone so far?
No question.
Kashif, I have a question. Can you open the notepad which you typed? The first, all the location for this registry location, right? The log file, application and server logs.
Where? Here?
Yeah, correct.
Registry.
Uh,
This is
so,
in the event viewer, not registry.
oh, okay.
For LOB application, you need to check these location under event viewer.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Got it. Okay, sure.
These are the two locations. For installation, you need to check this location. For download, whether downloaded properly or not, you need to check this location.
Okay, Kash. Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys. So in today's session, we could not do much, but at least we saw the log file and the location where the file gets downloaded and the event viewer. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. Any question before we wrap it up?
No, Kashif. Like still few of application is not showing mine in company portal. So we'll check later
LOB,
once you have
LOB
time.
application. You have LOB application?
Yes, I have like Google Chrome, Skype
Yeah,
is
so
still
LOB
not showing.
will not. So have you deployed in required or available mode?
Available.
Available, you see, there is a problem here as well.
Okay. Yeah. So shall I
Try
change to
deploying in,
required?
yeah, change it to required, it will
Okay.
do the installation.
Sure, will do.
Any question from anyone else? All good?
Not from my side, Kashif. Thank you.
Okay, Sam, you need to share this with everyone. Okay,
Yeah, Kasif, I will put it in the chat group.
okay, thank you. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Kashif. Bye, everyone.
Thanks
Thank
all.
you.